by virtue of which a body remains in its state of rest or of uniform motion. Now what exactly is inertia? Inertia is kind of inertness towards change. If a body is stationary, it will try, that is okay, I remain stationary, and if it is moving, it will have a tendency to remain in that state of motion. Let's say we have two bodies over here. One is a heavy truck. We say this is a truck, and this is a small car. Both of them, they are in state of rest. Their state is state of rest. They are stationary right now. Let's say you have been asked to change their state. Change their state from rest to motion in both the cases. You will find that this car has got a very small mass, and easily you can push and you can change its state to motion. You can change its state to motion from state of rest. Obviously, you will find that is putting this car into motion is much easier as compared to putting this truck into a state of motion. So what we say is that is inertia of this truck is more as compared to inertia of this car. Inertia is an inertness towards a change. Similarly, when both the bodies, this car and this truck, they are moving with some velocity, let's say 10 meter per second, 20 meter per second, or 30 meter per second in velocity, then stopping this car is much easier as compared to stopping this truck, which is moving the same velocity as this car. We find that is inertia that is inertness towards change of this truck is more as compared to this car. But this more and less, they are the comparative terms. This line segment is obviously smaller than this line segment, but this is also smaller than this. If I draw this line, if I draw this line segment, this becomes smaller than this. So this is all comparative. So now what we say is, what do we actually mean by inertia is, that is, what is a mass? If we say that its inertia is more as compared to this, we say its mass is more. Mass, the unit of mass is kg, kilogram, or gram. SI unit is kilogram. So obviously that is mass of this truck is more as compared to mass of this car. So whenever someone says that is inertia of this body is greater than the inertia of this body, it means the mass of this body, the first body, is greater than the mass of the second body. Now let's move to the Newton's second law of motion, where it says that is net force is equal to rate of change of linear momentum. Rather, this is the most powerful law in Newton's three laws, and this second law, it contains both the laws, the first law also and a third law also. So let's understand Newton's second law.